a yellow vest stained with a love I can't forget. I treat my heart like a sick child. My soul is burning, running wild. Oh, Charlotte, you are the fever in my soul, a beauty full of sickness beyond my control. Werther is breaking like glass in the rain. Quo Vadis, I am lost in this pain. I see you with him and I fade away, a ghost with nothing left to say. Your every smile is a knife in my chest. This endless aching gives me no rest. The pistol echoes through the winter night. My soul is consumed by your heavenly light. It is the price for a love unpaid. In the cold shadows my bed is made. Now you are me, and I am you. In this final silence, I bid you adieu.